Filtering records, and another one in our Learning to Program series. We're looking at a DBGrid here, and what we're going to do is to show you how to put a filter on a grid to so every time you smack a key, it will restrict the rows meeting that criteria. So how do we do this? Well, we're going to quit out of there, and what we basically did was added an edit field to the form, and then we add a on change event, and this is all the text that's needed here to implement that feature. So basically, whoops, now we are using SQLite, so slightly different to other databases where you might be familiar with a filter property and filtered. Here we have to use server filtered and server filter. So ordinarily you'd be doing, let's get rid of that little part there. Ordinarily you might be doing something like that, but in this instance here we have to do it this way. But otherwise the bit on the right hand side of the assignment is the same. So if we don't have any text, we will set our filter or server filter to false, and otherwise we make a lookup value to be the %sign, the text, another %sign, so it acts like a wildcard. And then we just use the field name like our lookup value, and then we can set filter to true. So that was about that, and that is all that's needed, so that the next time when you run the program, and this time we'll just hit the letter G. Again, you can see that it has filtered the list to only show those rows meeting that contain the letter G in it. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it or got something out of it, and until next time, happy coding and bye for now.